Welcome to HackerThink. This is the third episode in my electric skateboard reparations. I had replaced a lithium cell in the battery pack in the previous episode. Unfortunately, it didn't work. Actually, I realized that I needed to charge the new cell individually so that its voltage matches the one in the battery pack. In order to do so, I supplied 4.1 volt DC to the two leads of the battery, and it is not safe at all, but it got the job done just fine. This being said, I had to solder the new lithium cell in the pack, making sure not to apply too much heat on the leads of the battery, as this can cause some damage to the capacity of the battery. At this point, everything is working great, but my solders however get disconnected when I insulate the battery into its sheeting. I have had to start over the soldering process many times before getting it right. However, the total voltage on the battery was now dropping from 36 volts to 2 volts when I plugged it in the motherboard. As all of the cells are connected in series, I powered on the board by bypassing the protection circuit on the battery. And the battery pack was now working even with the protection circuit connected, as if a miracle had just happened. And finally, only one of the motors was working. I have tried resoldering its connectors, but no current got sent through the wires. I will therefore have to assume that it is a driver issue in the motherboard. In conclusion, I was really excited to try the board out, but unfortunately, I have to face a much bigger problem. At this point, I am thinking that it might be better to replace all of the components in order to get some much better specs on the board. And Amazon is now shipping to Singapore. I upload many videos such as this one, and so if you want to see more, you might want to consider subscribing. If you have liked the video, please give it a like, and if you have anything interesting to say, leave a comment down below and we will have a meaningful conversation. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys soon.